Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way. Hello, my bubbles. How are you doing today? I'm fine. Give me a second, bubs. That takes a lot out of me. Oh, I tell you, I really gotta look into Richard Simmons or Jenny Craig again. This weight picks up fast, you know what I'm saying? And I gotta pull my whole body. It's a workout. Oh, that's good. Alright, babes. Today I got the crumb cake. If you remember the other day, Abner had his employee appreciation day at Publix. And they had some leftovers on the table. So I told him, I said, get those leftovers and bring them home, Abner. All they're going to do is throw it to the ducks or something outside. So you get it and you bring it home. Now, you don't want no problems, okay? And like the good husband he is, he did. Yesterday he brought home what was it, a cheese roll? Cheese roll, yeah, Danish cheese roll. And he told me that they had a crumb cake. I told him a crumb cake. I'm not a crumb snatcher. But he said it was a cake, so I said, well, just bring it. So this is it. Once again, there was one piece left for the lucky special mermaid. What the heck? Alright, Rebels, this is how it looks. This is the crumb cake we got from Publix. I've never had a crumb cake. I don't know what the crumbs are from, but I'm hoping. Give me a second, Rebels. Tell you, how do you... Okay. I've never had a crumb cake, but I'm hoping the crumbs are not from the floor in the bakery, because that is not sanitary. And I will call the BBC. Wait, no. BC powder? No. BP oil spill? No. But that was such a horrible event, I tell you. I lost a lot of loved ones during that oil spill. BP. The BBB, that bureau, better bureau business, you know. Anywho, babes, I'm starving, so, let's put our hands, fins, paws, nubs, whatever you got, put them together. Oh, boy. Oh, this ain't stale. Anywho, alright. Dear God, it is I, Mukbang Mermaid, your best friend, till the end. God, today I'm eating a crumb cake. I tell you, it doesn't look like it was from an easy bake. It's got so many crumbs on it, you'd think it was fake. But it's a real cake, and better not be any droppings on these crumbs. But I tell you, I'm gonna be the farthest thing from a nun. And I'm gonna call them up, and I'm gonna complain. Because one thing about Muck, I ain't no plain Jane. Anywho, God, I love you. Amen. Alright, bubs, let's get it in. Like I said, this is a crumb cake. It is extremely hard on the outside. I don't know how long it was sitting out before Abner brought it home. But I just bust into it. Just do it like that. Alright, it looks kind of like a yellow cake. See if you can see this, bubs. I hope you can see that, Bubbles. Oh, come on! Now there's really crumbs everywhere. I'm just gonna have to clean that when he gets off. I think he's at at Starbucks today? Or was it Dunkin'? One of them. It's either Starbucks or Dunkin' because I remember I said, Abner, is it a conflict of interest for you to be working at both? And he said for me not to worry about that because the bills have to be paid. So I said, okay. Let's get it, Bubs. I'm getting a lot of cinnamon. It's very dry, I'll tell you that. There's no moistness in it at all. It's a drastic just a bloody foot, nothing to see here, folks. It's a drastic change from that moist Danish cheese ring that I had the other day. The cheese probably really helped to soak into that bread, you know what I mean? But this is just dry with a bunch of crumbs on top. I'm not very happy, I'll tell you that. Have you ever had a crumb cake, Bubble? This is actually pretty freaking disgusting. These crumbs are hard as rocks. You couldn't even feed those to the rats. I'm very upset right now because I do not like this crumb cake. Let me drink some water and just try to get it down. I tell you, the clumps of ice taste better than this clump of crumb. Well, Bubbles, what can we discuss while I try not to be in too much of a disgust? I would like to try a buffet. Have you ever been to a buffet, Bubble? Abner! Abner, can you hear me? Abner, can you hear me? I got a candy corn on my head, man. What do you mean you'll have to call me back, Abner? What? You're making a caramel frappuccino? Bah. If I didn't have you, Bubbles, I don't know who I'd have. What were we saying? Oh, yeah, we were talking about a buffet. Have you ever been to a buffet, Bubbles? I'd love to go to a buffet, preferably Golden Corral. Let's see. Let me get this bite down, Bubs. Oh my word. It's like I'm munching on carpet right now. Because this is dry and full of crumbs. I'm trying, Bubbles. I mean, look at this. Look at the size of this crumb, man. Oh my word. I'm struggling right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bubbles. Give me a second. I gotta moisten this up with some water. What in the heck? Who cooked this, man? I'm gonna have to tell Abner that he really needs to discuss how to make a cake with those women or men in the bakery. I mean, I've talked to plenty of people in the bakeries. I've talked to people that bake crab cakes.
Can I help you?
Hey, is this the bakery?
Yes.
Okay, I need a cake.
Hello?
I need a cake.
A cake?
Yeah.
Okay, a birthday cake or cake?
A crab cake.
A custom cake.
Crab cake.
Okay, when were you looking for it for?
What time do you close?
We close at 6 o'clock today, but if it's for today, it would only be the cakes that we have in our fridge, and I do have two right now.
Ow! My arm. I hurt my arm. you have any crab cakes?
No, we don't do customs unless we
Crab, lady,
we
crab.
can do a custom cake. It just wouldn't be for today.
You're not listening to me. Crab cakes.
What was it?
Crab cake.
A crab cake?
Ow. I hurt my arm earlier today and I'm in so much pain. Ow. Are you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Yeah, I need a crab cake.
We don't have anything like that. No, we could make one, but it wouldn't be until after the middle of this month.
Oh, okay. And would you be able to put real or imitation crab in it?
No, unfortunately, we don't work with any outside ingredients.
You got the crab there?
No, we don't make anything like that. It's strictly sweets bakery, not.
I'm confused.
Yeah, we can make a cake that's shaped like a crab, but we don't make crab cakes.
Oh, okay. I'll keep trying. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Bye. Oh, where am I gonna get a crab cake? I'm gonna call 2 more people. Hey, what time do you close? Hello?
Hello?
Hey, is this the bakery?
Is this what?
Is this the bakery?
Yes.
I hurt my arm earlier, I'm sorry. Do you guys have any cakes?
What was that?
Do you have any cakes? Do you have any cakes?
Do we have any what?
Cakes!
Cakes?
Yeah, cakes! A crab cake! I'm looking for a crab cake!
We have a couple of cakes that are ready to go if you want to come in and take a look.
Alright, I just don't want to waste the Uber's drive time. Do you have any crab cakes?
Crab cakes? Crab cakes?
Yes! Please tell me you do.
I'm sorry, I can't understand what kind of cake you're looking for.
Okay, let me get closer to the phone. I hurt my arm earlier and I'm in so much pain. Do you have any crab cakes?
I'm sorry, all I'm hearing is crab cakes. I can't.
Yes! That's right, that's what I'm saying.
We don't carry crab cakes, no.
Oh, give me a break. I've called every bakery in the city.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't carry crab cakes. We have a couple different cakes that you can come and look at, but we don't carry crab cakes.
Please don't call me ma'am. Call me mermaid. Hello?
Is there something else that I can help you with?
Do you have any recommendations?
No, unfortunately not. I'm not sure of a bakery that makes crab cakes.
Oh, give me a break. All right, thanks. I don't know who else to call, okay?
I'm not sure. Are you talking about crab cakes like that are literally made out of the seafood crab?
Yes, I'm not from around here.
You need to call not a bakery. Bakeries don't usually carry crab cakes. They're not literal cakes. They're patties made with crab. So I would suggest looking up like a restaurant in town that carries crab cakes.
been so helpful and so kind. Thank you.
Of course.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I've talked to people that bake monkey bread.
May I help you?
Hey, I was calling to find out, do you guys have the monkeys?
We do, yes. We have a whole primate section.
Okay, and do you know if they also sell monkey bread?
No, they don't sell monkey bread.
Yeah.
Hey, I was calling to find out, what kind of monkeys do you have?
What kind of monkeys do we have?
Yes.
Are you looking at just the monkeys? Are you looking at apes and primates? We've got lots of different monkeys here. Is there anything in particular that you're looking for? We've got snow monkeys. We've got spider monkeys.
Do you know if they... Do you know if... Do you know if they have any monkey bread?
No, they do not.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hey, is this the monkey sanctuary?
Yes, it is.
Okay, do you guys have monkeys?
Yes, we do.
What kind?
We have spider monkeys. We have red monkeys. Different kinds. Maybe about 2 or 3 different kinds. What kind of monkey are you looking for now?
Well, I'm calling because I'm looking for monkey bread.
Monkey bread? Monkey bread?
Yeah, you got any?
Well, I make monkey bread, but we have real monkeys here.
What time do you close? How could I get it?
I don't sell it. I make it, but I don't make it to sell.
Listen, lady, I need some monkey bread. What time do you close?
Well, the shop closes at 8 tonight.
Oh, I gotta call an Uber, but I don't want to waste their drive time. Do you deliver?
No. No. Who is this?
Oh, my name's Mukbang. My mother named me that.
Okay.
Right now I'm just...
You're not looking for live monkeys. You're wanting monkey bread.
Yeah.
You might need to call a deli.
Hey. Yesterday I was looking for crab cakes and I called the bakeries. So, I'm just hanging out right now with a bunch of monkeys.
Oh, and you want to make a monkey bread?
Yeah. Alright, lady. What I'm gonna do, I'll come to you. I'll be there in a few hours. Can you make it now?
Well, no. I'm at the shop. I can't make it at the shop.
Okay. I'll just I'll call you back and try to pick it up.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye. And I tell you, this has got to be one of the worst cakes I've ever had, a crumb cake. The name alone says it all. Alright, Bubbles, I'm just gonna scarf it down, okay? Alright, last bite, Bubbles. Ah! I got it. Now that took a lot out of me. Ugh. I'm sorry, Publix, but that was not it. Well, Bubbles. Well, Bubbles, on that note, if you would, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Pardon me. That wasn't a bell, that was a belch. Anywho, I love you, Bubbles. Let me see if I can reach Abner again, because I've got to tell him this was horrendous. Abner! Abner, are you there? What do you mean you're making a green tea mochaccino latte? I need to talk to you about this crumb cake, Abner. Abner! Don't you do it, man! Abner! Oh, that man!
Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.